Continuation. Number 61. Mal. A forest humus in which the F layer may or not be present and each layer is completely absent. Number 62. Muck. A highly decomposed organic matter in which the original plant parts are not recognized. Number 63. Neutralization. Neutralization is the reaction between an acid and a base resulting in the formation of salt and water. Number 64. Nitrification. The conversion of ammonium to nitrite to nitrate, which is usually carried out autotrophic bacteria. Number 65. Nitrogen fixing bacteria. It's a bacteria that responsible for the formation of nitrogenous compounds from gaseous nitrogen. Number 66. Zero horizon or O horizon. A zero horizon is consisting entirely of organic materials, usually above the A horizon. Number 67. Organic fertilizer. A fertilizer which is the byproduct from decomposed animals and vegetable substances contained with sufficient plant nutrients. Okay. Number 68. Parent material. The unconsolidated and more or less chemically weathered minerals or organic matter. Number 69. Reduction. Reduction is a chemical process which electrons are gained and a negative valence is increased and positive valence is decreased. Number 70. Regulate. The unconsolidated mantle of rocks and soil materials above the solid rock of the earth. Number 71. Residual materials. Residual materials is unconsolidated and partly weathered minerals accumulated by this consolidated rock in place. Number 72. Real erosion. A type of erosion in which numerous small channels of all several centimeters in depth are formed. Number 73. Suppressed. Suppressed is an organic soil which has the most highly decomposed of organic materials. Number 74. Sediments refers to all fine particles that settle at the bottom of the rivers, lakes, and oceans. Number 75. Soil. Soil is a natural body on the immediate surface of the earth, composed of unconsolidated minerals, organic materials, and living forms in which plants grow. Number 76. Soil aggregate. Soil aggregate is a cluster of soil particles held together as a unit in soil extraction, also known as soil granules. Number 77. Soil bulk density. Soil bulk density is the mass of dry soil per unit of bulk volume, including the airspace. Number 78. Soil classification. The systematic arrangement of soil into groups or categories or the basis of their characteristics. Number 79. Soil colloid. Soil colloid is a kind of mixture whose particles are intermediate in size between the visible particles of a suspension of invisible particles of a solution. So number 80. Soil conservation is an art of combining all management and plant use in method that safeguard the soil against the depression or deterioration caused by nature or human beings. Number 81. Soil consistency refers to the physical condition of a soil at the various particles which resulting in single grain structure. Number 82. Soil dispersion. Soil dispersion is the breaking of soil aggregates into individual particles, resulting in single grain structure. Number 83. Soil fertility. Soil fertility is the status of soil with respect to the amount of the availability of the elements necessary for plants and for plants growth. Number 84. Soil horizon. A layer of soil approximately parallel to the soil surface, referring in properties and characteristics from adjacent layer to low above or above it. Number 85. Soil monolith. Soil monolith is a vertical section of soil profile removed from the soil and mounted for display and study. Number 86. Soil particle density. Soil particle density is the mass per unit of volume of the soil particles. Number 87. Soil profile. Soil profile is the vertical section of soil from the surface through all its horizon. Number 88. Soil reaction. Soil reaction is the degree of the alkalinity of the soil, usually expressed in pH value. Number 89. Topsoil. The topsoil is the topmost fertile soil, usually rich in organic matter. Number 90. Weathering. Weathering refers to all physical and chemical changes that produced at or near the surface by atmospheric agents.